Up, we're going to be shooting some fireworks off, as you can see, and just watch the video.
That's close enough.
So, well, we are done with that firework, and which one are we doing next one? Oh, that was called the fountain. This is called the, I don't know, something that goes zip, zip, zip. Something
Okay,
like
put her down. Put her down.
You got another lighter?
No, it's in the van.
Kick it over here, Owen, I got it.
Tyler, you don't have to announce everything. Just
That's over there.
That should be on the road.
You should. I'm coming with.
There you go, right there. There you go. Watch it go.
Didn't do anything. Or just did that, I don't know. That was weird. Butterbug, we do this now? Yeah.
Okay, so let's show them.
Yeah, hurry up, light up.
Where's the button?
Are we gonna do it on the road? Oh, here comes the car! Get away, you stupid bugs. So we're doing whatever this thing is called. I forgot what it's called. What is it called again?
The Roman candles.
Yeah, the Roman candles.
Car coming.
Okay, so that's over. Okay, tell them what we're gonna do first. Don't light it yet. What are we gonna do?
We're going to do the premium
Thingamajig.
thingamajig.
Okay.
I don't know, but it's gonna be a big boom boom.
No, you're not even on the camera. I think here comes a car. Maybe not. Nice.
Coming, it's coming.
Look at that dynamite. No, I'm just kidding.
comes a car up the hill.
What?
Oh, man.
You did it backwards.
You better get the hell back.
You did mine. What the heck? That was a dud.
No, that was all those words. Yeah, burn yourself. Burn yourself.
I don't know how to do it. Oh. Ow.
Well, now you gotta turn around. There you go. No.
Oh, shoot! Ta-da!
Was that it?
Here.
And it blew up.
Did it really disintegrate again?
No, we didn't. I'm not touching that.
Light it again.
Down.
Come on, dude. No, point it up.
Whoa.
Dang.
Oh, fuck.
Ah, stuff is falling on me.
Yeah, it's like it's raining.
There's something right there.
Ha!
They fell apart there.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay.
You got another one?
I don't think so. Well,
When
guys.
that damn light's about to get punched. Hey, thank you.
Turn the light off while you're not recording.
Alright, guys, we got another one.
We'll go light it. Lost. You let me go up a little more.
There it is.
Alright, guys, just gonna shoot off a bottle rocket, whistlers. You know, the little things. Bop! Alright, we got another one going on here.
That's going all the way down. That was cool. That was cool.
Alright, we got another one of those. See how this one does.
Oh, cool.
That was cool.
I felt that. That one fell apart on you.
Put it up. Okay.
Shake it a little.
Alright, guys, so that was the end of our fireworks video, and we hope you like it. Comment down below if you liked it or anything, and hope you like the fireworks. Thank you. See you next time. Noggin.